Hi there! Welcome to Ink, Lead, Paper, and Thread. Today I wanted to just do a video about how I did my June spread, my monthly spread in my Clever Fox planner. This is the Clever Fox Ultimate Achievers Planner, so it's the 13-week planner that's designed to help you, get your goals either jump started or help you follow through with different steps that you need to take to achieve them. And so included in this planner there are 4 months that you can fill out as monthly spreads. And so I really love stickers, and if you go look at my my playlists, you'll see I have all these sticker reviews because I just love stickers. But when I'm doing my monthly spreads, one thing that I've realized that I really enjoy is just using cutouts from different magazines. And so part of that is because I think it just allows you a wider range of what you can put in. Because sometimes if you choose like a sticker set, you might feel like you're a little bit limited. And also the thing I like about using the cutouts is that, I'm not like a cheapskate or anything, but I don't have that much money. And this is just a cost-free way of, making a monthly spread. I just use catalogs and magazines, that I get for free that just come to my place. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, and I'm going to put this on a time lapse just because I really don't think anybody wants to sit here and watch me do this for 45 minutes or however long it takes. So yeah, that's all, and we'll see how it turns out. And there it is. It's all finished. I really like this, kind of pastel pink and blue and a little bit of purple color scheme that's going on. I like that I was able to pretty much achieve it with almost all magazine cutouts. So I'm going to be making more videos like this for my, July and then August, and then when I get into my new planner, actually that's the August, September, and October spreads. So if you like videos like this, please subscribe, because then you can, stay updated with all these new videos I'm going to be making. And, I'd love it if you leave me a comment. I love talking about planners and all that kind of stuff. So, yeah, I'd love to see your comments and find out what you guys are working on and how you create your spreads, and find out if there's any sort of like certain magazines or catalogs you like to use. And yeah, just hit the like button if you would. So that's all for today, and take care, everybody. Bye.